Multan is a historic city in Pakistan. It is believed to be 5000 years old. Multan is also known as City of Tombs. This tomb belonged to Hazrat Bahauddin Zakariya Rahmatullah alayh. He is also known as Bahul Haq, was a prominent Sufi saint. Bahauddin Zakariya Rahmatullah alayh was born around 1170 near Multan. His grandfather Shah Kamaluddin Ali Shah Qureshi arrived in Multan from Makkah. He became an orphan while still very young. He gained further education and training under the guardianship of his uncle. For 15 years, Hazrat Zakariya Rahmatullah alayh traveled to different cities in southern Punjab, where the order was able to attract large number of converts from Hinduism. He finally settled in Multan in 1222. Under his influence, Multan became known as Baghdad of the East and is referred by Zakariya in his Persian poetry. Multan maba jannatul baraba, aista baba na ke malik sajda ma kun. Hazrat Bahauddin Zakariya Rahmatullah alayh, Shehbaz Qalandar, Baba Fariduddin and Sayyid Jalaluddin Bukhari Rahmatullah alayh became part of the legendary Haq Char Yar or Four Friends group, which is highly famous in South Asian Muslims. Bahauddin Zakariya Rahmatullah alayh died in 1268 at the age of 100 and his mausoleum is located in Multan.